When 8-year-old Henry wakes up, the very first thing he does is reach for his toy. In the bright morning sunlight of his bedroom, he holds his small brown bear tightly. He received this specific bear from his grandmother on his 5th birthday. It has soft brown fur and tiny black button eyes, and since that day, the two have gone everywhere together. Teddy serves as a constant companion. Henry hugs him every morning, talks to him every night, and trusts his best friend. For Henry, as long as he has his favorite bear, he feels ready to face the world. On a beautiful Saturday morning, the family goes to the city park. The sky is blue, birds are singing, and the grassy fields are filled with laughing children and running dogs. Henry climbs the jungle gym and plays loudly with his little sister. Even while running across the playground and going down the slides, he keeps his bear safely tucked under his arm. After playing hard, Henry feels thirsty. He sits on a wooden bench to rest and places the bear beside him. When his mother calls him for lunch, Henry quickly stands up and runs to the picnic blanket, leaving his bear sitting completely alone. In a busy park full of distractions, a single moment of lost attention creates a problem that will soon ruin a perfect afternoon. After enjoying delicious sandwiches and fruit, the family packs up their picnic blanket. They start walking toward the parking lot, smiling and talking together. Then Henry looks down at his empty hands. His bright smile vanishes, replaced by wide eyes and rising tears. His hands begin to shake. He whispers for his bear before finally crying out in panic to his family that his best friend is gone. His parents do not show anger or frustration. Instead, his mother gently holds his shoulder and hugs him tightly, letting him know that it is okay to feel scared. With his family's support, Henry's panic begins to fade, leaving room for them to work together and find a solution. The family immediately walks back into the park. They systematically check the last places Henry visited, starting with the swings and the tall slide. They work together as a unified team. Henry's little sister looks carefully behind the bright flowers, while his father searches under the picnic tables and around the stone fountain. Henry stops, closes his eyes, and takes a deep breath. He suddenly remembers sitting down to rest right before eating lunch. They rush to the wooden bench, but it is empty. Henry stares at the ground, entirely convinced that his best friend is lost forever. Even with everyone working together, the empty seat on the bench makes the loss feel final. Just as Henry gives up, a small, polite voice calls out, "Excuse me," across the pathway. A young boy named Ben walks toward the family. He smiles gently, holding out the familiar brown teddy bear. Ben explains that he found the bear alone. He decided to stay right there and wait, knowing that he would be incredibly sad if he lost his own favorite toy, and hoping the owner would soon return. Because a stranger chose to stop and help, the family's day is instantly transformed. Henry runs forward and hugs his bear tightly. His mother and father smile with pure relief, shaking Ben's hand and thanking him for his help. As the family walks home, Henry's behavior changes. He holds the bear securely with both hands, watching carefully to ensure he does not let go again. That evening, Henry places his bear safely on his bed. He gently covers him with a tiny blanket and promises to always take better care of the things he loves. Mistakes are bound to happen, but they often leave us more attentive than before. And as Henry falls asleep, he knows that today was saved because someone decided to be kind.